Now you have pre-mixed antifreeze coolant. Hey everybody. Ooh, if you've been paying attention, you noticed I've been working on the Miata a lot lately. I'm getting ready to start putting the timing system and the new radiator in it, all that stuff, which means I'm going to need antifreeze. Now, if you've ever been to the store, you notice that they sell this do not add water 50-50 pre-diluted, and they also sell this concentrated. The difference is one is ready to pour in. Your antifreeze is 50% antifreeze coolant, 50% water. So if you're just going to top a car off, 50-50 is fine. But if you're like me and your cooling system is empty, it's going to take 1 to 2 gallons to fill it up. So the trick is, if you buy the concentrate and a gallon of water, you can mix them and get 2 gallons. Now, I know this sounds easy, but I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, the trick is, obviously you have a gallon and a gallon, and you need a way to put them together. So if you have an empty jug, you can do that. Or if you have a separate container like this one, thanks to my friend Gary for giving me this, what you can do is mix it in here, mix half of it in here, half of it in here, combine these two, and then put that into that gallon jug, and you get 2 gallons. You can hypothetically, if you need 1.5 gallons or whatever, put like half of that in the radiator, half of that in the radiator, and then kind of just oddball it. This is a more scientific way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that, put half coolant in it, half water in it, and then put that in there and combine that. I know this is an extra step. I could just do it in here, but I have to measure it out, and this is that way. So this will be easy. So I'm going to get everything set up and we'll start. Now there's 4 quarts in a gallon. So it'll be 2 quarts water, 2 quarts coolant. Who's here? Ain't nobody here. All right, so we will start out with coolant. Just so everybody knows, I know people on the internet like to doubt things. Concentrate, never been opened. So pop the lid open, get all that out, fill it up to where it says 2 quarts. Okay, 2 quarts. Now we will take our water. One other thing to notice when you do this, distilled water. Some people say you can use spring water, some people say you can use drinking water, but if you notice on a lot of your drinking water or your spring water, it says minerals added for flavor, blah, blah, whatever. This is supposedly pure water. Don't use tap water. It has chlorine, all those other contaminants in it that will get in your system, and when the water boils off, leave it in your pipes and stuff in your engine. So, distilled water, just like $1. Four quarts. Now you have pre-mixed antifreeze coolant. Next step is we're going to take this, the coolant that's left, combine these two, and then get this into our empty container. So I was in the middle of doing this video, and my cousin Michaela showed up, and we changed the camshaft sensor in her Volkswagen Tiguan, so I didn't get a chance to finish this video. So now what we're going to do is, I was to the point, I had my coolant mix there. So now what I have is I have a half a jug of coolant and a half a jug of distilled water. So we will combine those right here. Boop. Literally just water jug. Okay, that's done. Like I said, if you don't have an empty jug like that one, you could technically combine it into there. I don't see what it would hurt. So now we'll take this funnel, put it in our empty jug, like such. Then what we're gonna do, back you all up a little bit so you can see better. First thing I'm going to do is put this lid on before I kick this jug over. So now what else I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Sharpie and write 50-50 on this somewhere. That way I know it's already mixed. I'm going to put it on my cart over here. And then we'll take this mix and pour it into this jug. Okay, so now we have now successfully taken a jug of concentrate and a jug of water, combined it to make 2 gallons. So now I'm going to start hammering at this Miata over the next week. I got a new schedule at work, so it allows me to get off earlier in the evening. I come home and come out here and work for a little while, and I'm going to start hammering at this. I'm going to finish up everything for 5-speed swap. I'm going to bleed the brakes again, rearrange these brake lines a little bit. And then put that in there, make it go. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us a lot. I'm trying to get to 1,500 subscribers. I'm like 44 short at this point. But my main goal is to reach enough subscribers. Well, my secondary goal is to reach enough subscribers that I can just do this full time and document this in my Formula D. But my main goal is to blow up and act like I don't know nobody. So if you all can help me do that, I would appreciate it.